Friends, today I will tell you few yoga poses and exercises about flat stomach, flat belly fat, reduce belly fat and the waist side fats. So let's start with the first exercises. So what we will do is like in first exercise we will lift our hand parallel to our shoulder, then we will lift our right leg like this and will hold. 1, 2, 3, 4. If you are not able to make balance on the floor with the knee, then you can take the wall support like this and can do 1, 2, 3. And if you are able to stand without support, then do it without support. So like this we will do it 50 times. Then when we come to the next exercise is we will lift our hand and do the Tadasana. Stay here for 30 seconds. Then we will do the Tiryak Tadasana. तिर्यक ताड़ासन में हम राइट एंड लेफ्ट बेंड करेंगे. सो फर्स्ट वी विल गो टू राइट, देन लेफ्ट. द लोअर पोर्शन should not be moved. We will only move the upper portion. So we will having the stretch on these areas. So let's do 1, 2, 3. Feel the pressure around your waist. 4, 5, 6. Initially we will do 20 times, then gradually we will increase 50 times. Now if we come to the other asana, so the other asana will be like this one exercise. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. We'll do this 20 times in front, then in the right side and left side. So we'll do like this. 1, 2, 3, 4. It put pressure on our waist. So our love handle will go and our waist will be slim. 1, 2, 3. We will do like this. 20 times on the right side, 20 times on the left side. Now we will come to some mat exercises. So we will gently lie down on the mat. Then we will start the exercise. So just lie down on the mat. Then put your hands down. Then whatever we did in standing mode, we will do it in resting mode. So what we will do, lift our right leg, hold down, lift our left leg, hold down, right leg, hold down, left leg, hold down. So we will try to do it as fast as we can do, like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, like this. So this will be it will put pressure on our belly and our abdominal area. So it will reduce the fat slowly. Then for the next exercise, we will fold our knees and put our hands under the head. Then make some space between the knees. Then we will twist for the side fat. Twist right. Try to touch both your knees on the floor. Then left. Right, left. Right, left. Do it 30 times in total. 15 times on the right, 15 times on the left. Then for the other exercise, we will hold our legs on the 30 degree. Hold it here for 10 seconds. It put pressure on our core muscles. So our stomach will be tight. Then we will go to the 45 degree. Hold it here for 10 seconds. Then go to 90 degree. Hold here for 10 seconds. Then come back to 45 degree for 10 seconds. Then 30 degree for 10 seconds. Then come back. Now take some deep breath as it put lots of pressure on your belly. So we will repeat this 10 times only. Now next we will do the Naukasana. So we will extend our hands above the head. Then we will lift our hand and leg together. So see how I am doing. So 1, 2, 3. Get like this. We will hold this pose as much as long we can. It put pressure lots of on core area. So it slowly release our fat. Hold it first for 10 seconds, then gradually go down. Take break for 5 seconds. Then again come up in the Naukasana. Then again hold for 20 seconds. Then go down. So repeat it 10 times. After taking some deep breath, now let's come on your stomach. So we will take a turn. Both hands slowly we will come up. And we will extend in Bhujangasana. So do not stretch that much. Your belly button should not be up. It should touch on the floor. Hold it here for 10 seconds. It put lots of pressure. It stretched the stomach muscles. Then slowly go down. Rest for 5 seconds in the Makrasana. Your hands near to your chest. Then again come up. Keep breathing while you hold this pose. So repeat it at least 10 times. Then go into the child pose. इसके बाद then come to mountain pose. हम पर्वतासन में आ गए हैं. पर्वतासन से हम जाएंगे कोबरा पोज. But we will not touch our knees on the mat. So पर्वतासन से हम जाएंगे ऊर्ध्वमुख श्वानासन. So देखिए 1, 2. आप इसको एक तरह से दंड भी बोल सकते हैं, हनुमान दंड. 3. It's exactly not Hanuman dand, but it's type of a dand. We will repeat this 20 times. Then again we will go into child pose. then come up. Now we will do few exercises. So let's extend your leg and fold your leg and put leg like this, like this, like this. Then we will do Russian twist like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. We will do 50 Russian twists. Then we will sit and take deep breath. Sit for few seconds calmly. There are many more exercises जिनका रेगुलर प्रैक्टिस करके हम फ्लैट बेली गेट कर सकते हैं. बट इन फ्लैट बेली द मोस्ट इम्पोर्टेंट थिंग इज वी हैव टू put our concentration on our diet. We should not eat junk foods, oily foods, rice in minimum quantity, and the other things as well. So if we do the portion control and if we do the exercise on regular basis, then we will surely see the difference in our inches, our belly within 15 days. But only exercise will not work. So we have to maintain our diet also. And so this was the all about the flat belly. But few exercises I told that which cannot be done if you have the knee pains, like we did this one. So if someone has the knee pain, then he or she will not be able to do the Russian twist. So according to your body, according to your capacity, according to your time, and according to your age, please practice any exercise with keep all these factors in mind. So that's all about the flat belly exercises. I hope you like my video. If you like, please like, share, comment and subscribe my channel and let me know what should I cover in my next video. Thank you. Thank you so much.